Okay, here's a quick overview of PhoneBank for the seller or the dealer location. Once you sign up here through the sell button here, it will send an application to the admin for approval, and you can eventually show up on the map down here. This map zooms into a certain radius around the IP address. Um, when you log in, you'll have to add your first product for it to populate you on the map. To add the first product, you'll go into your dashboard and go into your My Product list. That's where you store your products in here. A couple features of this PhoneBank application for PhoneBank locations is to, one, help organize the items, and you can do that by the um, putting your IMEI numbers in there and some details about the phones. It also has a consignment option to where if you're consigning for customers, you can put the names in there. And if you want to print a label for the item, you can just click generate over here on the barcode, and it will create the barcode for that. It'll download it as PDF. You can print that out in many formats, including or any label printer. The standard size is, it's in the instructions there. I think it's 1.25 by 2.25 on there, but there is a link in the FQAs down there with a link to a Amazon purchase of removable labels, which makes it easy to come off the back. To add more phones to the database, you can do that a couple different ways. You can go to the new product and add your own product and your own information in there, or you can go to the master database. We created a master database to make it easier to add items. Inside the master database is some kind of generic SKUs with just some starter information. They include one picture that is permanent to make the face of the website all consistent, and then allows you to add additional pictures if you like. You can come in here and you can type in iPhone, say iPhone X. It'll filter to the iPhone X's. There's a couple of features about this here. If you want to, you know, search for additional stuff on there, you can see it's dash, and then you just have to kind of filter down there exactly the way it is. Unlocked, and then you can go to the color, so dash, and then if you want to do silver, it'll filter to all to the silver ones. So let's select, there's different conditions here. You can always change them inside the thing, so let's just pick a one in the system has excellent, good, and fair. So let's pick an excellent condition one here. And like I said, it's going to populate a lot of the stuff in there. You can always add your own stuff. A couple of things, and here's your descriptions and your meta keywords and meta descriptions in there. For some reason, the editor is not working on this right now. We are fixing that, so you'll see it in future versions. But all you have to do is type in the IMEI number and or of your phone, and then that populates in the system. You will need to change. I'm going to put this one here as a test. I'm just going to put 9s across here because I want to delete it later. You want to make sure that it is visibility. You do have to set visibility to catalog and search, and then everything else should be in there. If you need to change anything in the beginning, like gigabytes, say it was a 256, you can change that right there. Scrolling back up to here, we recommend, this is up to you, but we recommend, of course, obviously changing the gigabytes if you change it up here off the detailed stuff. You can change this here manually. Say it's Sprint. If it's locked to Sprint, you would do that. And of course, always try to get your capital right if you can. You want to change it in two places. You want to change it there, and you want to change it down here to carrier. So you would change it there. So then this would be Sprint and unlocked. Most of the SKUs pre-made say unlocked, and a lot of them say XX gigabytes. Just know that you need to change those whenever you save it. We did that because we made the SKUs for everyone in the beginning, but there was like 900 different combinations per phone, and so it was putting a lot of unnecessary data in the database. So we just went back and made generic ones that you can change and customize to your things. But the idea here is to help save you time on uploading pictures and adding descriptions and things like that. So once it's successfully added, you go back to your product list, and from there you can print your label out, stick on the back of your phone. So here it is right here. This is, you can scroll, just click anywhere on here and kind of scroll over to get to this stuff here. You got an action button there and generate barcode. A couple features of this here, we do have everything that you need to know up front here. You can search by IMEI number, so if you wanted to search that 99999 number, you can type it in there and it'll filter stuff. So if you're trying to find phones in your database, we've also got an aging here, so you can see how long the phone's been in the database, which can help you and your employees maybe sell them faster and try to get rid of or discount ones that have been there for a while. So I'm not going to edit this, but I'm going to click generate barcode. So all you got to do, click download, open it up, boom. There you go, you can print it out. Once you do that and you save it, it will show up in your in the master phone system here. Currently, the system, all phones are sold on the website here, where people anywhere in the country or really world, whatever, can buy it off the site here. So if you want to go to the X's, it should show up here. Remember, I did save it for catalog and search, I believe. I'm clicking on the iPhone X there, and it refreshed, and right there it is. This is the one we just put in there. It doesn't show IMEIs obviously on the front page, but if you want to buy that, they would go in there and purchase that. Once one sells on the website, it'll send you the shipping order, and you can ship it out. And the payment is processed to the admin. You can request that money from the admin on there, and that will send the money to you. Other than that, if you do sell it in your store, which is the kind of the whole point of this concept here, is to allow you to direct people back to your store from the main page. You would just basically simply delete the product as of now. You can sell it through there if you want to use the PayPal payment form on there. But if you sell it out of your cash register, just simply delete it off the website, and that way you can kind of keep the inventory true in the system. If you have any questions, please send email to Mike or sales at phonebank.store, and we'll be glad to answer your questions. Thanks a lot.